Alright, so now I got the bed rail installed. Basically it fits real snug, and you just got to make sure that everything lines up. And as you can see, it goes right around the rail and it fits super snug. And underneath, you just got to put some shims in between the plastic in order to get those installed. And I went ahead and followed the recommended procedure. You put one at the very front, one around the bars, and then one in the stake hole in the back. So pretty much that. Now I can reinstall all the stuff on this side, and then I'll do the left side. That's it. It's almost done. It's coming together quickly, and that's it. So far so good.